What's up, guys? This is Derek here today with Raul Carabeo, our VP of Sales.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're hearing from us from.
So, Raul, tell us about what's going on out there. What do you see common out there when you're going out there getting new dealerships and stuff? Is there a certain pattern you follow, or you just go out there and wing it?
I go out there and wing it. What I'm seeing a lot of dealers not doing is using window labels and buyer guides.
Really?
Yeah, I'm seeing that a lot out there.
I understand window labels, but buyer's guide, isn't that like illegal?
Yeah, right. You get like a fine for that. Sometimes they put like a piece of paper.
Right.
But I just want to let you guys out there know we do supply window labels and buyer guides, exterior, interior, certified, non-certified.
Yeah, it's good to know.
Yeah.
Custom labels, definitely do that. Have you guys attacked any new territory lately that you find it a little bit different in Florida or?
Actually, now that you mentioned Michigan.
Michigan.
It's a nice cold area, but very friendly. Managers out there are open doors. They have open door policies.
So a different attitude to get out there.
Yes, very. They let you finish your pitch.
Right. Okay. Good.
Very loyal out there too. They're very loyal.
So speaking of pitches, you have a elevator pitch to these customers.
Yeah, real quick. I could share with you guys a quick elevator pitch. I come in real quick. I look at them. I'm like, real quick, just 2 minutes. They let me in,
right.
And then real quick, I already have my phone ready. It shows the spin, the car, the 360.
Right.
Our photo quality. I'm like, hey, real quick, we're the guys that take pictures of the cars, put them online. Window labels, buyer guides, all the good stuff. And then sometimes they're like, are you doing it for us right now? I'm like, no, but I would love to.
We offer that.
Yeah, this is but yeah, that's a quick little pitch. It gets I did a little homework on your website last night. They want to know.
Come prepared.
Yeah, they want to know what did we find. So it's a nice little quick open up.
Right. You gotta be a people person, huh?
Yeah,
you gotta be able to approach people.
You gotta have a good attitude at all times.
Right.
At all times. If I come in bad attitude, they can feel it right away. They'll be like, get out.
Now, would you say this job is more like a 75% behind the desk? Making phone calls, emailing people, and 30% out there, or is it?
No, I would say 75% out there.
Really?
Yeah, I would say 70% out there.
So,
you gotta be out
the
there.
old school, show your face, knock on doors. Hey, This is what I have.
Persistence.
Wow, persistence definitely helps. I've heard some stories that you told me before of being persistent on customers and finally you get the bite. And
yeah. I've had here's a quick little story that's pretty cool, and it's happened way more than 5 or 6 times. I've walked up to a dealership and they're like, no, we're good. Wait 2 more weeks, pass by. No, we're good, Raul. I told you we're good. Send an email, send a text.
Right.
And then a month later, I come by like, dude, this is the perfect time. We just I'm fed up with this guy. You just came in the perfect time. Let's do business. I'm like,
grab you.
I was like, those are the best.
Every day.
Yeah, those feel
That's
good.
That's amazing. That's really amazing.
When I could have just stopped. The guy said he's good. I could have just stopped going with him.
You should have an attitude that he doesn't need me anymore. But
yeah,
that's awesome. That's a good way to pick up some new dealerships and pick up some old ones for that matter. What else?
But going back, I would say 75% outdoors.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Knocking outdoors.
You see that? 75% knocking indoors. So that does make a difference. Absolutely.
Yeah. Michigan was. I would like to go back. It was really nice.
Yeah.
I mean,
did you spend over there?
I mean, I went there the 4th day. On my 4th day, I already picked up 2 dealerships.
Really?
Yeah. It's
That's
really.
amazing.
I feel like they don't have.
Well, the deal you offer too is like you can't not take it. You know what I mean?
Well,
I'm sorry, but the prices, from what I've seen out there.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to consult prices here now?
No, I'm not consult prices. I'm not saying any prices. That can
the
be cut
platinum
too.
package.
Platinum package. One-time deal.
But Michigan is really nice. Going back to Michigan again because brought up. I just came from there last week, and I would love to go back over there. Everybody's very humble.
Right.
Everybody's very nice. Everybody's open to new ideas.
Awesome.
It's not like, hey, just get out. It's another vendor.
Right. Don't you bark at me again. That's awesome. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A quick introduction of Raul Carabeo, top salesman, VP of Sales, CarData. If you guys got any questions for him, you can find his contact information below.
Thank you.
Give him a holler if you need some photos, videos, labels. Let us know, guys. Take care.